So I want to look at a fairly common mispronunciation or difficulty with pronouncing some words that are quite similar to this one here. So again, we might come across this word quite a lot in yoga. We have the short A here. So this is sometimes pronounced karma, because in English that's exactly how we pronounce it. A long A and then a little bit of an R sound, karma, karma. However, that's not how it's pronounced in Sanskrit. And actually, if we pronounce karma, it means something completely different. So here we have the short sound, but now there's an R on the end of it. But we have to pronounce that R sound to give it the quality and the essence of actually what these sounds are. So it sounds a little bit like karma, karma. So the R sound almost takes the tongue back towards the roof of the mouth. It's considered to be a semi-vowel in Sanskrit. So again, a lot of these R sounds, they're either full vowel, so the retroflex R is a full vowel, or just the R sound on its own is considered to be a semi-vowel. And to make that sound, you almost take the tongue to the roof of the mouth, and you can hear it. It's got that kind of breathy quality of a vowel sound. So what we have is karma, karma, karma. So two short A's with this R sound slightly coming back to the roof of the mouth. Kurma. Now, it might sound a little bit like this word. So again, you might have come across this, means tortoise, and it's one of the poses in yoga. So this is just with a short oo sound. Kurma, kurma. So we have to make the oo, the short oo or oo. Kurma, karma, kurma. Then we have this sound, this word, which is actually how most of us would pronounce this one. And there's no A here, but two long R's. Karma, karma. So this karma means reincarnation, or the actions of your past lives. This means tortoise. This means desire. So they're all very different. So if we don't pronounce them properly, we're saying something completely different. And Karma is also the goddess of desire, so she's known as a goddess. And you might come across this word from the Kama Sutra, very famous book in the 70s. So again, we have to get all of these vowel sounds and these articulations in the mouth right if we want to say the right thing. So we don't want to be talking about desire when we want to talk about a tortoise or reincarnation. So one final time. Karma, kurma, karma. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel to get updates of any new video uploads. You can also join the mailing list in the comments section below to get details of upcoming training days and courses for yoga teachers. See you soon.